Ya.
Kirain ada apa-apa, Miss Eva. Kemarin kan
No.
soalnya
Alhamdulillah, I am was now.
Oke. Syukurlah. Selamat malam adik-adik mahasiswa akuntansi. Silakan selamat datang dan selamat bergabung di pelatihan hari ke-6 ya. Semoga tidak bosan karena ini menambah ilmu kalian ya setelah nanti kalian dalam bekerja ya. Oke, waktu dan tempat kami silakan Miss Eva.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cita. Okay, right. Hi everyone. Assalamualaikum. Okay, right. Okay, thank you for having the class today. So, I hope you are doing great and still healthy. Alhamdulillah, yes, I getting better. So, yes, yesterday was I had a runny nose, so alhamdulillah, it's getting better just directly. So, yes, alhamdulillah, I can have a class again. Are you doing good, all?
Good, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Okay. All right. So again, yeah, I hope you are not sick of me. So because of the only one tutor here, hopefully that you are not get bored. Okay, everyone. Right. So last time we discussed about structure, and the last skill is about appositive. So I hope you all still remember about the last material we had. Okay, let me check. Yeah. Do you find still have any difficulties, guys? The last what we have discussed, maybe some of you any difficulties? Udah pada paham semua ya? Okay, all right. That's great. So it means that you know well about the material. Okay, so next here is, so last time we discussed skill 3, which is appositive. And now we go into skill 4, which is be careful of present participle. So maybe some of you asking, Miss, what is present participle? Since the name is present participle, it means it's an ing form atau bentuk ing gitu ya. So it's usually with the verb ya that come with the what is it? Ing. Biasanya yang ditambahin ing itu adalah verbnya. Nah, why we have to be careful with the ing form is so it's because the ing form here sometimes is as a verb again ya. They try to make you confused which is it the verb or is it just the present participle begitu. Nah, like here the example yang ada di contoh seperti ini. Here the man is talking to his friend. Let me ask you guys, is it correct or incorrect the sentence? So where is the subject from this sentence? The man is talking to his friend.
The man.
The man is subject.
Yeah, okay. Then where is the verb?
Is
Talking.
Talking, that's true. Nah, this sentence is safe is because consists of subject and verb. Jadi aman ya is because already consists of subject and verb. So how if I have this sentence, right? Nah, what about my sentence here? Sorry, itu maksudnya the man ya. The man is talking to his friend is my dad. Is it correct or incorrect? The man ya, the man is talking to his friend is my dad. Nah, this sentence correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Why it is incorrect?
Di belakang ada is
So it is double
verb.
double verb ya. Nah, which is talking sama is. Subjeknya sih sudah ada ya, the man, right? Nah, this sentence is incorrect, makanya ya. Jadi nggak boleh double subject, right? Nah, kalimat yang awal ini, this is safe, is because only one subject and then one verb. Nah, terus nanti if you find a long sentence with many clauses and then many words, so one of the verb yang di depan itu harus kita pastikan this is as a present participle. We have to make sure this is not as a verb, because if it is as a verb, that will be double verb and it's incorrect. Jadinya nggak boleh. So, okay, let me show you other example below. Di bawah ada contoh lagi nih. The man talking to his friend has a beard. Is it correct or incorrect? Can you notice where is the subject, guys?
The man.
Okay. Where is the subject?
The man.
The man. Great. And then verbnya yang mana?
Has a beard.
Yes, right. Good job. So, talking yang di sini, Miss, talking yang di depan itu kan juga verb. Nggak boleh ya, Miss. Because double verb. You will think like that, right? But which is the talking here? Talking yang di sini itu dia posisinya adalah bukan sebagai verb, which is it is a present participle. Begitu. So, the present participle itself, the position is adjective. Jadi sebenarnya posisinya present participle itu sebagai apa, Miss? Sebagai adjective. As you know, there is adjective. Ada dua macam ya. Kalau dari ini ya, ada yang ditambahin ed, sorry. Plus ed, ada juga yang ditambahin ing. Example-nya ada misalnya bored, ada juga boring, right? Sorry. Nah, itu contoh dari adjektif ya. Nah, terus Miss posisinya talking yang di kalimat ini, yes, this is a present participle. It's because adding with, this is adding as with verb ing. Ini ditambah dengan verb ing, begitu, right? Gitu guys. Jadi dari kalimat yang Miss Eva bikin tadi, example ya, let me write it for you. The man talking to his friend is my brother. Nah, so caranya mengganti verb yang di depan atau kata kerja yang tadi sesudah subjek itu dan dia akhirnya menjadi adjektif adalah dengan menghilangkan to be-nya. Right. Nah, contohnya seperti tadi ya, the man is talking to his friend, gitu kan? Atau the man talking to his friend is my brother. So, like this guys. Jadi, kalimat yang Miss Eva bikin ini, the man talking to his friend, ini subjeknya yang mana? Which one is the subject? Again, the man ya. Right. Jadi, talking di sini ini posisinya dia not a verb ya. This is as adjective or present participle. So this sentence aman because it's only one subject and then one verb. Jadi begitu. Right. Nah, jadi Miss kenapa sih kok udah dikasih in talking ini begitu kan ya? Kenapa kok the man is my brother aja? Ya itu terlalu mudah, tidak begitu Ferguson. Jadi akan ditambahin dengan kata-kata yang membuat kalian itu bingung, right? That makes you confused and then bingung akhirnya ini yang mana yang salah seperti itu ya, right? So this is present. We usually call it yes PP seperti itu present participle, right? Okay. Any questions so far before I continue? Jadi kalau kalimatnya cuma satu, contohnya ya, the man is talking to his friend, titik, itu aman, right? There is no problem anymore. But, sorry, there is okay. Okay, so there is no other questions ya? Nggak ada pertanyaan? Okay, great. So let me go ahead then. Okay, so for the first example, would you please someone read? The child playing in the yard is my son.
D.
The answer is
D.
B. Why it's supposed to be B?
D.
Oh, sorry. D was ya.
Yeah.
Why the answer is D? Which one is the subject, guys?
The child.
The child. Okay. And then the verb? Do you find any verb here?
Is.
Is, that's great. Okay, so what we need here?
Now.
Why you answer now? Kenapa kok jawabannya now?
Because.
So we don't need anything actually, yeah, because the sentence already consists of subject and verb, right? So di samping itu, beside that, playing here already as a present participle, so we don't need anything. If we choose is no, it's because it's gonna be double verb. If we no, it's because it's gonna be double subject. And then was is also verb. So the best answer is itu ya, right? Jadi kita udah nggak butuh apa-apa. We don't need anything. We just like put another adverb or adjective seperti itu ya. Okay, that's great. Thank you anyway. Great. So let's go into next. Is there any other example? Oh no, okay. Right, so just be careful with the present participle ya, hati-hati dengan present participle. Let's go into exercise 1. The companies offering the lower prices will have the most customers. So, why this is correct? Sudah aman karena where is the subject?
The companies.
The companies, right? And then the verb?
Will have.
Will have.
Will have.
Yes. This is the subject. Nah, offering di situ posisinya sebagai present participle ya. Jadi jangan sampai bingung. Okay, this is the verb. That's why it's correct. Right. Okay. And then number 2, why this is incorrect? Double verb. Which one is the double verb?
Are completing
and
should
ada are
report.
completing sama should report.
Oh, to report.
Right. So we should omit this one. Are-nya ini harus kita hilangkan agar completing-nya ini menjadi present
Adjective.
participle. Begitu ya. So the best sentence is those travelers completing their trip on Delta should report to the gate 3. Itu ceritanya. Oke. You can go ahead guys into number 3 and number 3 through 10.
Okay.
Somebody want to try maybe?
I'll try, Mom.
Yes, go ahead.
Number 3 is correct
Correct because
complete.
sorry, complete ya. Okay, so where is the subject?
The subject
Artisan.
is
Then the verb?
artisan.
Were demonstrate.
That's right.
Demonstrates.
Great. So this is safe ya, is because di belakangnya udah gak ada lagi verbnya. So it's safe. Perfect. Alright. So this is correct. Okay. I guess you are lucky, tapi nanti soal di TOEFL tidak akan semudah ini, Fernando. So, jadi akan lebih susah ya. Okay. Then number 4. Somebody wanna try for number 4?
Correct might be, Miss.
Number 4 correct. Why this is correct?
Complete.
Complete. Which one is the complete? Where is the subject?
The fraternities.
Okay, then?
Verb are giving.
Are giving the will the
Yeah.
Udah. Belakangnya
Udah.
lagi. Do you find any other verb or subject or what?
purpose attract
Attract, guys. So attract is the
double
verb.
cooperative.
Yeah. So we should omit R-nya ini biar
Gila.
giving-nya jadi yes,
Give.
present participle or the adjective. So this is
Incorrect.
correct because of
Correct.
double
Double.
double verb ya.
Double verb. Okay.
So it's supposed to be careful. Harus jeli ya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then number 5.
Number correct.
Number 5 correct. Why this is correct? Which one is the subject? Which one is the verb?
Yeah, is.
Okay. Is. This is the verb. Terus subjeknya? The first thing. And then, so winning here is adjective ya, as a present participle. Okay. It's safe. Aman ya. Okay. So correct. That's good. Okay. So seems like going smooth. All right. So let's go for number 6. Okay, number 6. What about number 6?
Incorrect.
Number 6 incorrect because
Double.
that's true. So mana yang harus kita hilangkan? Which one we should omit? Which was? Semuanya pakai
Was
try.
often.
Okay, let me ask you, where is the verb? Where is the real verb?
Was trying. Was trying.
Yeah, was trying or was often. Sweet dulu, kertas batu gunting. Yang mana?
Was trying.
Was trying. Sorry, was trying itu apanya? So, ada was often sama was trying. Ayo, which one is the position of present participle or adjective itu mostly next to the subject ya. Ya udah, kita cari subjeknya aja. Nah, jadi the speaker is the subject. Jadi adjective dan present participle-nya yang mana? Ini kan was trying. So we should omit. Kita harus menghilangkan was yang trying to make trying as adjective, and this was often is the verb. Okay, was often interrupted ini ya. Okay, so this sentence is incorrect because of double verb. Okay, good. Siap. And then number 7.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because correct or incorrect. Miss dengarnya tadi jawabannya correct. Nggak tahu incorrect.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Okay, because
double adjective.
Double verb. Jadi yang mana? Yang harus kita hilangkan yang mana? Which one is the subject?
The fruit. Fruitnya. Subject.
Terus verbnya yang carrying. Yes, ini verb. Terus ada lagi Miss, ada were rotting. Jadi were-nya harus kita hilangkan agar rottingnya ini menjadi adjective atau present participle. Oke. Good. Jadi ini kalimatnya incorrect, right? Because again ya, double
verb.
Okay, what about number 8?
Correct.
Correct, because
It's complete.
complete. Subjeknya yang mana?
Ini
Students.
Students. And then the subject verb
So
should complete. Yes, this is the verb. And the siren here is the adjective. Okay. Wes, pintar. Okay. Next, number 9.
incorrect.
Incorrect. Because
Double verb.
Karena verbnya nggak seharusnya di
verb
belakangnya
harusnya mana yang dihilangkan?
were.
Jadi gimana harusnya? Were-nya
dihilangkan.
They shall receive a lot of attention.
Yes, that's true. Announcing here is the right, and then verbnya yang mana? Verbnya yang mana?
Receive.
Receive.
That's great. Okay, good job. Then number 10?
Correct.
Correct.
Because
Complete.
complete. Good job. Great. So the spices is
Subject.
subject. Flowering is the adjective.
Adjective.
Right. And then the verb is
Were quite.
quite distinctive. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Right. Nah, sudah paham ya? That's good. Right. Jadi, as I mentioned dari awal kita have a class ya, we should try to classify. Jadi harus dipretelin satu-satu. Apakah kata ini masuk ke subjek? Apakah kata ini masuk ke adjective? Apakah kata ini masuk ke verb? That's the function. Memang begitu, which is structure itu kita harus bisa tahu bahwa ini tuh kata ini adalah adjective, kata ini adalah to be, kata ini adalah verbnya, seperti itu. Great, okay. Next, udah ya, okay. Now we go into skill 5. Nah, skill 5 ini almost same like skill before. Yang di sini ini adalah menjadi past participle. Nah, Miss, kalau past participle itu apa? Bentuknya yang ditambahin ed. Right. Kalau yang tadi kan adjektif tapi yang dengan ing ya. Nah, kalau yang ini dengan ed atau it's supposed to be like something with what we call bentuk lampau seperti itu karena namanya adalah past participle. So this one, the family subject aman ya has purchased the verb. Kalau kalimatnya cuma sampai sini, benar dia memang right aman. The poem subject and then was written is the verb aman, right? Nah, gimana nanti kalau ada where is some subject or double verb? So like this bawahnya. The television purchased yesterday was expensive. Nah, this is what I mean. So purchased here, I'm sure that everyone will think, Miss, itu kan verb juga, right? Terus ada was juga, right? Double dong, right? Verbnya. No, guys. So the purchase here is as a past participle. Atau dia posisinya dia sebagai adjective. So The sentence is true, sudah benar. Ada subjek, ada verb-nya. Begitu maksudnya, Miss. Jadi kata yang di sesudah subjeknya itu dia bukanlah verb, tapi adalah adjective. Kecuali kalau di belakang nanti itu udah nggak ada verb lagi, so it means it's safe ya. Sama kayak yang tadi present participle. Okay. So this is the subject, the poem, and then written here is the adjective, and then the verb is appeared. Okay. Gampang ya, insya Allah ya. Okay, so let's go. Kita lanjut jadi ke contoh example. This one. The packages. Yuk, anyone wanna try? Somebody wanna try?
I will try, ma'am.
Yes.
The package blah 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 mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. Maybe Delta.
Just mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. Why the answer is D?
Because kalau A double verb, B double verb, C double subject.
That's true. Yeah. So the best answer is D. Right. So which one is the subject?
The package.
The packages. Right. And then the verb, the real verb-nya adalah ini ya. Will arrive. Right. Jadi the packages just mailed. Nah, mailed-nya ini adalah past participle, guys.
Yes.
Gitu. Atau dia fungsinya adalah sebagai adjective ya, kata sifat. Good. Alhamdulillah. So somebody know. Lanjut ya. Now, it's not so difficult. Almost same like present participle. Cuma ini tuh dia pakai ed gitu aja sih sebenarnya. Okay. Number 1, why this is incorrect?
Double verb.
Double verb. Which one is the double verb?
Offered sama accept.
Was offered ya. So, which one that we should omit? Mana yang harus kita hilangkan?
Was.
Good job. Biar offered-nya ini dia sebagai past participle ya. Because they already have the real verb, which is wasn't accepted. Okay. Good. And then what about number 2?
Because it's complete.
Complete, yes. Listed there is a past participle and the real verb is had already stalled. Okay. Gampang kan? Okay. Number 3.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because
Double verb.
double verb. So which one we should omit?
Were, talk, and will be.
Jadi yang dihilangin yang mana harusnya?
Were.
Were, yes. So thought here is the adjective ya, or
Adjective,
past
yes.
participle. And then the real verb-nya yang mana?
Will be on. Will be.
Amazing, yes. That's good. So the subject is the chapters, all right. So it is double verb ya. Lanjut. Number 4.
Mm, correct
Correct, because
is complete.
Complete.
complete. Which one is the subject?
The loaves of bread.
The loaves of bread. Verbnya?
Were packed.
Betul ya, aman ya, because di belakang udah nggak ada lagi verbnya. Right, okay, so this is correct. Great. What about number 5?
Incorrect.
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 Incorrect, because
Double verb.
double verb. Which one is the double verb?
Which
Were
sama
received.
were under.
Were under.
That's true. So where is the real verb?
Were under.
Oke, good. So we should omit, harus kita hilangkan were yang di depan ya. To make rich,
Yes.
di situ dia sebagai rich.
Adjective.
Okay, good. Then the subject you already know the ports. Okay, next.
Correct.
Correct.
Number 6, correct. Where is the subject?
Were arrested. Verb itu,
The
Miss.
suspect.
Subjeknya were arrested.
Bukan, itu verbnya.
Oh yeah, sorry. The verb is were arrested. And then the subject
The suspect in
is
the string.
suspected in the string of robberies. So ini the sentence correct jadinya ya.
Yes.
Correct ya. The suspect in the string of robberies sama were arrested.
Arrested.
Okay, number 7.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Harusnya
Isnya dihilangkan.
Great. Okay, good. So where is the real verbnya?
Is the test.
Is the test.
The testiest. So this is the verb ya. Okay, served here is the past participle. Okay, and then the subject is the pizza.
The pizza.
Okay, number 8.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Because
Double verb.
are listed. Oh yeah, okay. So which one we should omit? Jadi yang mana harus dihilangin?
Are.
Are. Then verbnya adalah
Have several.
good. Okay. Sorry, kok sih ini verb? Oke. Oke, udah nggak bingung ya? That's great. Alhamdulillah. So let's go into number 9 and 10. Can somebody else try to give feedback, guys? Yang lainnya mana nih? Oke. Nanti kalau masih bingung tanya Mbak Ariantia sama Mas Firhan ya. Oke, yuk. Number 9.
Correct, ma'am.
Number 9 correct. Which one is the subject?
All the tenant.
All, yeah.
Then verbnya?
Were invited.
Were invited.
Yes. Udah ya, aman ya? Nggak ada lagi di belakang, udah nggak ada verbnya ya?
Ya, aman.
Oke, aman.
Aman.
Oke, number 10.
Correct.
ma'am.
Correct.
Kalian kok kompak amat sih berdua? So, yes, subject. And then,
Will
verbnya yang
be,
mana?
will be credited.
Yes, this is the verb. Terus paid-nya ini adalah
Adjective.
past participle ya. Oke. Correct, aman. Oke, perfect. Right, udah paham semua ya. Oke, good job. So, do we still have time? I think we still have, right, from 10 minutes. So, let's take a look. Nah, now review skill 1 till 5. Nah, wes. Coba sebisanya aja ya. So, ini skillnya udah di random ya. They already make. So, again, be careful. You need to find which one is the subject, which one is the verb, and then make sure that this sentence has one subject and then one verb only. Semoga nggak bingung.
Correct, Miss.
Number 1, correct. Wow. How do you know that?
Is complete.
Where is the subject?
Student.
And where is the verb?
Can add.
Yeah, that's good. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Yes. I thought that somebody will still confused. So this is the subject. Nah, can add ini adalah verbnya. Nah, Miss, for 3 weeks at the beginning of the semester is the apa tuh? Object of preposition, guys.
Yes.
Itu ya. Oke. Object of preposition. Kata sepanjang ini tuh dia tuh nggak bermakna apa-apa ya. It's just object of preposition. Oke, jadi jangan sampai bingung ini nanti dikira subjeknya. Oke, that's good. It's correct. Yuk, number 2.
Incorrect, maybe, ma'am.
Incorrect because
Double verb.
Double verb.
double verbnya mana?
When to sama purchase.
Good. Yes, this is a double verb as well as it's missing subject, guys. Subjeknya nggak ada, harusnya di depan ada subjeknya yang mana. Jadi on her lunch hour, Eva went to a nearby department store to purchase a wedding gift. Okay, so this is incorrect. Wow. Okay, great. Number 3.
Incorrect, ma'am.
Because
Incorrect.
Double verb.
Double verb.
double verb harusnya yang mana yang dihilangin?
Were
Were
grown.
Were grown-nya ini ya, were yang di sini. You need to omit it to make verb, the real verb-nya which one?
were
Harvested.
harvested.
Yeah. So this is the real verb, and then the subject.
The verb.
Yes, the verb is here. Okay, so udah tahu ya. This is incorrect. Okay. What about number 4?
Complete.
Correct.
Correct. Because
Complete.
subjeknya mana?
The override.
Orange.
Yes, the overripe orange. Jeruk yang udah siap, udah matang ya. Oke, so subject. Terus verbnya?
Were falling. Were falling.
Falling. Yes, okay. Good job. So correct. Then number 5.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because
Double verb.
Double verb.
yang mana sama mana?
Be
Being
delivered.
sama
Will contain.
Yes, right. Will contain. Which one is the real verb?
will contain.
Will contain. So we need to omit
Contain.
nya ini harus diilangin ya. To make delivered as
Yes.
a past participle adjective.
Adjective.
Okay, good. Okay. Then number 6.
Correct.
Incorrect because
No verb.
no verb. Okay, where is the position of the verb?
Double subject.
Double subject. Mana yang double subjectnya yang mana?
Especially shop and the word.
Around the word ya itu phrase-nya. Nanti kalau the word aja around-nya di mana? Ditinggal dong. Nanti ditinggal pas sayang-sayangnya nggak boleh.
Iya.
Mana lagi yuk? That's good anyway. Try to take a look, try to checking. That's good. Mana any other idea?
No.
Any idea, Mas Firhan?
Bingung, Miss.
Ih, bingung loh, Miss. Aku nggak suka gelai. So, all of this word ini itu noun phrase. So, frase kata benda. Nah, ini tuh semua subjek doang. Jadi, nggak ada verbnya, missing, gitu. Nggak boleh ya. So, it's supposed to be habis kata yang panjang ini harus ditambahin verb. So, a specialty shop with the various brand from around the world in the shopping mall is now open. Contohnya ya. Atau is available now. Contohnya begitu. So, this is incorrect. Right. Ini tuh kelihatan kan ya kalau nggak ada verbnya masih pada bingung nggak? Ini tuh semua tuh kata benda semua loh. Ya enggak?
Iya.
Kan nggak ada verbnya toh. So, it's missing verb. Jadi nggak boleh. Harus ditambahin verb dulu. Contohnya dengan tambahan yaitu tadi ya, example is now open atau has open now. Contohnya begitu. Contohnya begitulah. Pokoknya apapun yang ditambahin. Kenapa kok is miss lah itu kata bendanya cuma satu kan? A specialty shop. Jadi atau was lah apapun yang kata bendanya kata kerjanya setara dengan kata benda yang singular. Oke. Alright, what about number 7?
Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Yes. Semangat semuanya ya. Verbnya
Are no.
Oke.
Oh.
And then subjeknya
The portrait.
and then exhibit di sini adalah Adjective
Adjective.
ya, past participle. Alright, good job. And then number 8. Number 8. Tik tak tik tak tik tak.
Incorrect.
Incorrect karena
Karena noun phrase.
noun phrase.
Yeah.
With a sudden jerk of his hand threw the ball across the field to one of the other players. Subjeknya ada nggak?
The ball
Bingung, Ma'am.
Oke, bingung. Verbnya ada nggak?
nggak ada.
Nggak ada verbnya. Terus ini apa nih?
True.
Throw. Throw itu bentuk kedua dari throw ya, melempar. So this is the verb. Nah, with a sudden jerk of his hand is object of preposition. Jadi dia bukan sebagai subjek. Nah, jadi kalimat ini missing
Subject.
subjek. Harusnya di sini ada subjek dulu. With a sudden jerk of his hand, Firhan threw the ball. Kenapa kok harus cowok? Nah, itu his and his dari kata cowok kan, berarti Joko, Budi, or whatever. Threw the ball across the field to one of the other players. So it's a missing subject ya. Okay. Number 9.
Incorrect.
Incorrect because
Double subject.
harusnya gimana? Subjek ya. Jadi it-nya
Dihilangkan.
Hilangkan.
yes, that's great. Oke, ini verb, sorry. Terus verbnya will be ya. Oke, number 10.
Correct.
Those applicants returning their completed forms at the earliest date have the highest priority.
Correct.
Incorrect. Kenapa? Incorrect.
The verb.
Ada there-nya.
Yang mana? Yang mana? Gimana?
Double subject.
Subjeknya yang
Double
mana?
subject.
Subjeknya yang mana?
Applicants returning their
Terus aplikan subjek. Oh, oke. Terus
ada there-nya.
turning their completed forms. Ini completed forms ini adjective loh ya. Jadi maksudnya formulir yang udah lengkap. Jadi itu adalah noun. Jadi their completed. Jadi ini dia di sini fungsinya sebagai objek. Nah, jadi yang bikin kalian bingung tuh mungkin adalah returning-nya sama have, ya enggak? Nah, verb-nya yang mana jadi? Have, right. So returning here is the adjective of present participle. Gitu guys. Ini tuh adjektif. Jadi kalimat ini correct apa incorrect jadi?
Correct.
Correct. Yes, gitu. Right. Udah pada lumayan paham ya?
Ya Allah.
Insya Allah. Okay. That's great, everyone. So if you have any concern or if you still have any questions, yes, let me know for tomorrow, yeah. We can continue for the next meeting tomorrow. Thank you so much, you guys, for having me today, for joining the class today. So, all right, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, inshallah.
Yes, ma'am.
Makan morning sama roti. Good
Cakep.
evening, everybody. Alright,
Thank you,
sobat.
Miss.
Ya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oke, jangan lupa absennya ya. Ini kan 24 kali pertemuan. Nanti kalau sudah 24 kali pertemuan, kita ada tes TOEFL dari materi yang sudah dijelaskan dari awal sampai akhir. Dan kemudian nanti nilainya akan otomatis keluar, nilai hasil TOEFL kalian, dan akan mendapatkan sertifikat. Gitu ya untuk informasinya. Terima kasih. Selamat malam. See you next time.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.